ऑनरेबल श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी जी, श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी जी, माननीय श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी।
मी प्रियांका विक्रम चतुर्वेदी राज्यसभेची सदस्य म्हणून निवडून आले असल्याने ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेते की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारतीय संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगेन।
Whether we look at the liberal use of sedition charges against students, we look at sedition charges being used for journalists, they're being arrested. BJP is tilting our nation towards authoritarianism. A recent report of the HRD ministry, approximately 38% faculty posts are lying vacant at India's premier institutions like IITs, NITs, IIMs and IISERs. As a consequence of such shortage of faculty, quality of education in these premier institutes is gradually degrading, which is against the national interest. ग्लोबल वेल्थ माइग्रेशन की रिव्यू रिपोर्ट आई है जो कहती है 5,000 मिलियनर्स, 2% of the total number of high net worth individuals in India have left the country in 2020 alone. At this particular point in time, we are surrounded by a neighbor who does not believe in a rule-based order. And our defense budget should be working to ensure that we provide our army and our armed forces with all kinds of appropriate equipment needed for their safety and safeguarding our nation. वाजपेयी जी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात कहकर गए थे, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, राजनीतिक पक्ष उभरेंगे और गिरेंगे भी, पर जो हमारा संविधान है और जो हमारा प्रजातंत्र है, उसका हनन कतई नहीं होना चाहिए. Many scholars, many historians, the state government of Maharashtra, many MPs across board coming from Maharashtra have made this request repeatedly. I had also put it on the table in the 253rd session. Every time the response is, it is under active consideration. My only question on this particular topic is, how long will this active consideration last?
Thank you.
Thank you. %78% जो अबॉर्शंस होते हैं हमारे देश में आउटसाइड ऑफ हॉस्पिटल फैसिलिटीज़ होते हैं, हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ होते हैं, जो कि कभी कभी इलीगल भी होते हैं पर अनसेफ भी होते हैं और वो मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी रेट बताती है.